Welcome students. Class 7 Mathematics Chapter 10 Banks and Simple Interest. Practice set 40. Example number 1. If Rehanna deposits 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 per capita per annum for 2 years, what is the total amount she will get? Now solution. P is equal to principal amount, rupees 1500. R is equal to rate of interest, 9 per capita per annum. T is equal to time period, 2 years. And I, that means simple interest, which is to find out. Okay. Now formula. Simple interest I is given by P into T into R upon 100. You have values of P, T, R. You can substitute. After substituting, you will get I is equal to P is equal to 1500. T is equal to 2 years, R is equal to 9 per capita per annum upon 100. Now simplify. 0, 0 from denominator and 0, 0 from numerator will get cancelled. So 15 into 2, that is 30. 30 into 9, that is 270. So interest is 270 rupees. Now we have to calculate total amount. Total amount is given by principal plus interest. Principal 1500, interest 270. Addition will be 1770. That means what? Rehanna will get total amount rupees 1770 after 2 years. Okay. Example 2. Jethalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 per capita per annum for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returns to the bank? Here we have to answer two questions. First, yearly interest, and second, after 5 years, what is the total amount he returns to bank? Okay. Now solution. Again, P, that is principal amount, rupees 2,50,000. R, that is rate of interest, 10 per capita per annum. T, that is time period, 5 years. And I, that is simple interest, we have to calculate. Okay. Now we have to answer two questions, out of which first question. Interest for 1 year. Please remember what is formula. I is equal to P into R upon 100. This is the formula for simple interest for 1 year. Okay. So substitute values. P is equal to 2,50,000 and R is equal to 10 upon 100. Now simplify. 0, 0 from numerator and 0, 0 from denominator will get cancelled. So 2500 into 10, that is 25,000. So I is equal to 25,000. That means what? Jethalal must pay rupees 25,000 as interest for 1 year. Okay. Now second question, that is total amount to be paid to the bank after 5 years. Okay. So first of all, you know that total interest for 5 years is given by 5 into interest for 1 year. Interest for 1 year is 25,000 into 5 years. This product is rupees 1,25,000. This product. That means this is the interest for 5 years. So total amount to be paid to the bank after 5 years. That means A, that is total amount, principal plus interest for 5 years. This will give you total amount. So principal 2,50,000 plus interest for 5 years is 1,25,000, and this addition will give you rupees 3,75,000. That means this is the total amount which Jethalal have to pay after 5 years. Okay. So Jethalal returns rupees 3,75,000 after 5 years to the bank. Example 3. Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 per capita per annum in a savings bank account. What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? Okay. Solution. P, principal amount, rupees 85,000. T, time period, 2.5 years. That means what? 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5 upon 2. So 2.5 years, that means 5 by 2 years. And that means what? Dividing this by 2. 2 to the 4, carry 1. Taking 0 will give you 2 5 the 10. That means 2.5 years. Okay. Now R, that is rate of interest, 7 per capita per annum. Now we have to calculate interest. Okay. Now interest is given by I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So P is 85,000, R is 2.5, T is 7 upon 100. Cancelling these 2 zeros from numerator and 2 zeros from denominator. Now 850 into 2.5, and then that product into 7. So first of all, 850 into 2.5. This is the product. 25 zeros are 0. Okay. 25 5s are 125. Write 5 here and carry 12. Okay. Now 25 8 is 200 plus this 12, that is carry, will give you 212. In this way, decimal after one place here. So rupees 2,125 into what? 7. This 7. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, that is 17. Carry 1. 7 1s are 7 plus carry 1, that is 8. Finally 7 2s are 14. In this way, interest will be what? 14,875. Okay. Now, Shrikant received rupees 14,875 as the interest after 2.5 years. Example 4. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for same period? Now solution. Here R, that is rate of interest, we don't know. T, that is time period, 4 years. P, that is principal amount. First it is given 5,000 rupees. And I, that is interest, is given rupees 1,200. Okay. From this you find out R. So I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. That means we have to calculate R. So I into 100 upon what? P and T. I into 100 upon P into T will give you R. So R is equal to I 1,200. This is 100. P 5,000. T 4 years. R is equal to I 1,200 into 100 upon 5,000 into T is 4. So 0 will get cancelled. Okay. Now these two zeros and the remaining these two zeros will get cancelled. So 5 into 4, that is in the denominator 20. And here remains only 120. So dividing by 20, that means cancel 0 from numerator and denominator. 2 6 are 12. That means R is equal to 6. That means rate of interest is 6 per capita per annum. Okay. Now interest is to calculate when principal amount is now changed. It is rupees 15,000. Time period is same, 4 years. Or just now you have calculated 6 per capita per annum. Now we have to calculate now I. So I given by P into R into T upon 100. P is 15,000 now. R is 6 per capita per annum. T 4 upon 100. So cancelling these two zeros from numerator and denominator. 150 into 6 4s are 24. So taking direct multiplication. 24 0 the 0 here first. Then 24 5 the 120. Carry 12. 24 1 the 24. Plus carry 12, that is 36. So simple interest I is rupees 3,600. So interest on rupees 15,000 is rupees 3,600. Example 5. If Pankaj deposits 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 per capita per annum for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank. Now solution. P, that is principal amount, is rupees 1,50,000. R, that is rate of interest 10 per capita per annum. T, that is time period 2 years. So total amount A is to calculate. So first of all you find out I, that is simple interest. I is given by P into R into T upon 100. P is principal amount 1,50,000. R, rate of interest 10 and time period 2 years upon 100. Cancelling these two zeros from numerator and 2 0 from denominator. Okay. So here 1500 into 10 into 2. Now 1500 into 10, that is 15,000. 15,000 into 2, that is 30,000. So I is equal to 30,000. Okay. Now total amount, principal plus interest, that will give you total amount. So principal is 1,50,000 plus interest 30,000. So addition will be rupees 1,80,000. So Pankaj will get rupees 1,80,000 after 2 years. So friends, here ends practice set 40. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.